हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे मेक सेंटेंसेस इंग्लिश में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1 है कुक। दे कुक द फूड डेली। दे कुक द फूड डेली। Number 2, night. The stars are bright at night. The stars are bright at night. Number 3, jump. He jumps on the table. He jumps on the table. Fourth number, mother. I love my mother very much. I love my mother very much. Number 5, book. This my English notebook. This is my English notebook. Number 6, house. My house is very big. My house is very big. Number 7, beautiful. She is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. Number 8, white. This dog is white. This dog is white. Number 9, new. I have a new teddy bear. I have a new teddy bear. Number 10, black. This hat is black. This hat is black. Thanks for watching.